So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I was literally able to go from dead broke to making or having my Phantom wallet look a little bit like this. So I really personally have always been into crypto, into stocks, all those things. I kind of knew a little bit about them, but I knew that the crypto space and the meme coin space was different because there's nothing else out there in this world where you are able to literally go from having $50 one week to $20,000 by the end of the week. Tell me what else you are able to do that without like selling your soul and doing like OnlyFans and all that other gay shit. But tell me what else or where else you are able to do that, because I will go right there and I will make that money. But this is actually legit money you could take out and have in hand. And I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I, like I said, was able to go from dead broke to here now. This is me now. I'm able to do whatever I want, go wherever I want, buy whatever I want. I literally bought my dream car off of this in less than 6 months. So I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to do it. If you know about meme coins and you know about Pump.Fun and all those other platforms, you know that you're able to create a coin, right? You're able to actually develop your own coin and launch it on these platforms. The thing is with these coins on Pump.Fun is that they really don't really go anywhere. Like, to be honest, they have a little bit of a pump, but you know, they don't make a ton of money because people don't take them seriously. They're not legit coins. But if you go on other dexes, for example, here on Photon, and we're going to screen on the dex for Radium only, you could see that some of these coins have way bigger market caps. Like, for example, this right here, they have way bigger market caps that are going to keep going up right here. You saw those millions. These coins are actually taken seriously because one, they have credibility just because they're on the Radium app. They're legit, you know. People will likely invest in them just solely because they are on the Radium dex. And to get on the Radium dex, you need a lot of work. You need to bundle. You need to hire people to actually code your coin, develop it, and do all that stuff. And for me personally, I didn't have time for that. And it was just going to take too much. I wasn't going to make enough money because then money had to be split. So I kind of wanted to go a different route. And that's where I came across this website right here, coinfast.fun. This one website was able to make me all this money in such a short amount of time. You guys do not understand that it's literally ridiculous what it's able to do for me and what it's going to be able to do for you guys. So if you really want to know how to do this, make sure you watch this video. I'm going to give you guys the best knowledge you've ever heard, and you guys are going to become fucking rich and just like me. So at the end of the day, the people that are making the money are the people that create the coins. We all know that. If you have half a brain, you know that. You've been constantly getting rugged after time, burning all your Solana, and it's just pathetic. So that's why I went to the other side. I joined the people creating the coins and people that are rugging. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. We're going to come down here for a bit, right? And this is really what it revolves around. These are the 4 crucial components that it takes to become a top rugger to make a lot of money. So for example, number 1, market research. What I mean by that, whenever I want to create a coin, like on this website, when I'm actually about to cook up a fire coin that's going to 100x, 1000x, whatever it is, I have to have crucial market research. Remember that, crucial market research. And what I mean by that is that I base my market research on actual real life things going on. So in today's date, there's been a couple things that are trending. For example, with Trump, with Elon Musk, with the whole president of Ukraine, whatever it is, I go to X and that's where I do my research, because you know everywhere else is fake news, right? So I go to X right here, and one of the most trending things today, in today's time, whatever time I'm in, is this right here. Trump announced this stuff right here. And as you guys can see, Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, all cryptos are fucking pumping. It's literally insane. Like in less than like 4 hours, everything just pumped. People thought it was over, but it's back. So this is what we're going to kind of base our market research on and what we're going to do our coin on. So I'm going to kind of just think of something right now. There's more research you guys could do, like more trending stuff. So for example, right here, look, Trump pump right here. We're just going to go through it a little bit. But yeah, so I think that this is going to be something cool that's actually going to pop off because people are definitely going to buy it because as we know, eyes get buys. So the more eyes you get right here, the more eyes you get. I'm just kidding, those are not eyes. The more eyes you get equals the more buys. And the more buys you get, the more money you make, boys. The more money, that's all it is. The more eyes, the more buys. So if you have some market research where it's already trending, people are going to buy it regardless of what it is. Doesn't matter if it's something random. If it has eyes on it, people are going to buy it. And the next step, right? So we came about on this video, we're going to do our coin on Trump, right? And the whole pump thing. So now we have to be fast. We have to be fast. Remember that. Fast. Speed, speed, speed. And the way to be fast is with this website right here, coinfast.fun, that lets you create a token in literally less than 5 minutes, boys. It's revolutionary. I highly, highly recommend it. So now that we know this, right, we're actually going to go to MemeFast, and I already have my Phantom wallet connected, and we're going to go ahead and start creating the coin based off of our market research. So now that we're going fast, we're going to come right here. And we're just going to follow the simple steps that it tells us right here. So we're on this step right now. We're going to create the coin. And I feel like we should call it, we are so back. What I mean by that is everyone thought Solana and the meme coin space was going to shit. But we are so back because Trump just saved our lives. He saved the day once again. All right, so we're going to call it we are so back. And then for this, I'm just going to put soul back. All right. So now for the image, it's pretty simple. It's going to be a 500 by 500. If you guys don't know where to do that, you could simply go to Canva, download an image, and then put it as a logo, and it'll do it 500 by 500. I'm going to do it real quick for you guys right now. So now that we made the image right here, we're going to come back and we're actually going to throw that in there. Like I said, 500 by 500. So you guys would probably do it a little bit more professional. I'm just trying to do this for the sake of this video, right? So we're going to go ahead and click next and make sure you guys leave this at 100 billion. So right there, I mean 1 billion. Leave that right there and total supply. So for the description, you're just going to put something as in like, we are so back, Trump saved us. Just like that. Something pretty simple that's related to your token, right? So we're going to go ahead and click next. All right, so for the information, you guys could leave it like this. You guys could put whatever you want there, or you could take it off. You could leave it like that. And for the social links, you guys don't have to put anything here unless you are actually creating like, I guess, a Twitter, Telegram, whatever it is, Discord. But for me, I'm just going to leave it like this. And on these right here, you guys want to have them selected because this is basically going to make your coin when it's on these dexes like on Radium, it's going to make it look more legit. Like you see this right here, it's going to have all that. Like these right here are obviously rugs and people are not going to want to invest, or they might, but you know, for our videos and for our tokens, they're going to have all these selected and it's going to just make the coin look legit and more credible. So we're going to go ahead and have all those selected right there. And we're simply going to just create the token now. And we are going to be back on this right here. Right here. We're going to be done with these 3 steps pretty quick. Because remember, at the end of the game, speed is crucial. It is super important. So now we're going to create the token. So now that you guys actually have created your token and you are able to see it, you could view it on Explorer. It's going to take you right here to where you're going to be able to see everything. Solana is going to be right here. You're going to click that. You're going to put max. And this is just creating a liquidity pool, which is the next step. Because obviously you want to have full ownership of the liquidity pool and you want to be able to remove it whenever you please, right? So now I recommend to put about 0.3 to 1 Solana. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to put 0.3 Solana. After that, I'm going to go ahead and click create pool. After you create the pool, you are actually able to see your token on Photon. It will pop up out here on the Radium Dex, and you will actually be able to click it and interact with it. This is not my token, but you know, you will be able to see it, interact with it, and you will be able to buy, sell, whatever you like to do. And remember, these videos are for educational purposes. I do not condone any of this, but I'm teaching you guys exactly how to do it. So you will be able to do all that. And yeah, boys, that's literally how I was able to go from, honestly, bro, I had like $50 in my bank to making this all the time and creating tokens whenever I want and do whatever I want now. So if you guys have any questions, I'm going to put my Telegram in the description. Reach out to me, and I wish you all the best.